welcome to my channel. In the channel, I would like to talk about abroad education for latest technologies, job vacancies in India and abroad, and scholarships from different organizations, universities, and governments in India and abroad. In the present video, I would like to talk about Indian Oil Corporation Limited, which is one of the Navaratnas, and it is a government organization. In IOCL, there are some job vacancies for junior engineering assistant. Salary is up to 1.5 lakhs per month. Government Indian Oil Corporation Limited, junior engineering and IOCL is the largest commercial undertaking in India and a Fortune Global 500 company requires result-oriented experienced personnel with initiative and enterprise for its Barauni refinery, Bihar. Online applications are invited from bright, young and energetic persons of Indian nationality for the following posts. Pay scale. The pay scale of 25,000 rupees to 1,05,000. Post B 201. Job title Junior Engineering Assistant, 4th grade, production. Eligibility 3 years diploma in chemical or refinery and petrochemical engineering or BSc Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Industrial Chemistry from a recognized institute or university with a minimum of 50% in aggregate for general EWS and OBC candidates and 45% in case of SC or ST candidates against reserved positions. Area of experience. Minimum 1 year of post-qualification experience in the operation. Rotating shift of pump house, fired heater compressor, distillation column, reactor, heat exchanger, etc. in a petroleum refinery, petrochemicals, fertilizer, heavy chemical or gas processing industry. Important instructions. Qualification for the purpose of this clause would mean the qualification based on which candidature is offered on considered claimed by a candidate. Prescribed qualification should be strictly adhered to. The prescribed qualification should be from a recognized university or institute as a regular full-time course. Industrial training as part of the course with no break, with minimum 50% marks, 45% for SC or ST category candidates against reserved positions in aggregate. A qualification acquired through part-time or correspondence or distance education mode shall render the candidates ineligible. Point number 4. Sandwich diploma course with industrial training as part of the course with no break shall be considered eligible. Point number 5. Qualification of MSc Chemistry for the post of Junior Engineering Assistant, 4th production, shall not be considered as a disqualification. However, percentage requirement shall be applied on graduation level exam only. Point number 6. Diploma under recognized lateral entry scheme, class 12th SC or ITI admitted in second year of diploma course shall also be considered eligible subject to meeting prescribed percentage of marks on the basis of aggregate of 4 semesters in the diploma course. Point number 7. The criteria for full-time regular course shall not be insisted upon in case of ex-servicemen provided they possess a requisite equivalent qualification that has been acquired during the service period and is recognized by ACT or MHRD, Government of India, and have secured the prescribed minimum percentage of marks. Point number 8. Ex-servicemen claiming equivalence in qualification shall be required to produce a copy of equivalence certificate by the concerned ministry. Point number 9. No claim of possession of a qualification equivalent to prescribed qualification shall be entertained. Point number 10. Candidates possessing higher professional qualifications such as BE, MBA, CA, LLB, MCA or any such equivalent qualification shall all be eligible. Point number 11. The candidature of the applicant would be provisional and subject to subsequent verification of certificates, testimonials, etc. Government NIAB project Assistant Recruitment 2021 applications invited. Point number 12. Suppression of information regarding the possession of or pursuing higher qualification shall render a candidate ineligible for consideration at any stage of selection and termination at any time during the employment if recruited. Point number 13. For ex-servicemen, a declaration of the same area of work experience will be sufficient and no document shall be required. Next point. Candidates who are registered with the local employment exchanges, district Sainik resettlement board and meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria, whose names are sponsored to Barauni refinery against this qualification, are advised to apply online, failing which their candidature will not be considered. Point number 15. Candidates are hereby informed that any corrigendum or addendum etc. with regard to this advertisement will be made available on www.ivocl.com only. Candidates are advised to refer to the above website periodically for updates. All future correspondence with respect to the advertised posts will be made only through www.ivocl.com. Selection methodology. The selection process will comprise of written test and a skill or proficiency or physical test SPPT, which will be of qualifying nature. Category wise and post wise merit list shall be drawn on the basis of marks obtained in the written test. Only for such candidates who qualify in the SPPT. Every candidate will have to secure a minimum of 40% marks in the written test for qualifying in the SPPT. The minimum qualifying marks in the written test will be relaxed by 5% for candidates belonging to SC or ST categories against reserved position. Obtaining minimum qualifying marks in the written test does not confer any right or claim by the candidate for being shortlisted for the SPPT or the final selection, as the same is related to a number of positions, ratio applied and relative performance in the respective categories. Shortlisted candidates in the ratio of 1:2 with the due cognizance to number of reserved posts, subject to securing minimum qualifying marks in the written test, will be required to undergo the SPPT. The SPPT for each discipline shall be conducted by a duly constituted committee. In case of tie of marks in the written test for the last position on the short list of SPPT, all such candidates shall be called for SPPT even if the total number exceeds the prescribed ratio. If such a situation arises anywhere before the last position while drawing the list, the last few names in the proportion to be prescribed ratio will get eliminated. Category wise merit list shall be drawn on the basis of marks obtained in the written test from and out of said short list only for such candidates who qualify in the SPPT. In case of tie of marks for the last position on the merit list, the candidate with prior date of birth, senior by age, shall find a place in the merit list. If such a situation arises anywhere before the last position while drawing a list, the last name or last few names in the list in the proportion to the prescribed ratio will get eliminated. Candidates who have availed of concession in age, eligibility qualification marks are in written test qualifying marks as is available to a category will be considered against reserved positions irrespective of their position in select in order of merit within the category. Ex-servicemen candidates, if found suitable, will be considered against reserved vacancy in irrespective of their position in the merit list in order of merit within the category on horizontal reservation policy. The candidature of the applicant would be provisional and subject to subsequent verification of certificates, testimonials, experiences, etc. At any stage of selection process, if it is found that a candidate has furnished false or incorrect information, the candidature or appointment of the candidate will be cancelled. Filing up of vacancies is solely at the discretion of the management based on suitability of candidates, and no claim will arise for appointment if some of the vacancies are not filled due to unsuitability or insufficient number of candidates. If you find this video useful, please like, share the video among your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Wish you all the success.